Meanwhile, former President Trump is looking to overturn his hush money conviction after yesterday's big Supreme Court ruling. And we are just learning that Manhattan DA Alvin Bragg, who brought that case, won't oppose delaying Trump's July 11th sentencing. I want to bring in former federal prosecutor Andrew Cherkasky for more details on this. Andrew, thank you very much for being here. So the news of the moment, what does yesterday's Supreme Court decision on immunity have to do with the Bragg case?
Well, this is the unraveling of the lawfare that has against Donald Trump, I think. What the decision yesterday said is that presidents enjoy immunity for a wide swath of acts. But more than that, it's that you cannot use certain things that they do while in office, like things like their discussions with advisors, as well as other information from their personal records and whatnot. And so with the ruling yesterday, as well as the commentary on what type of evidence cannot be used from a president's time in office, they're going back to the New York case and complaining that that case, in fact, used evidence from when he was in office. And we have to remember that those charges, even though much of the conduct is from before he was in office, the actual charges are from after the time that he was in office and continued for a year while he was in his first year and a half of time in. So Judge Merchant is now going to have to confront this issue that they signaled to him well before the trial actually started.
Well, you know, famously, everybody knows this, the July 11th sentencing date is just 4 days before the convention, and charges of election interference, which already have been leveled at both Bragg and Merchant, are even heightened more now because it's so close. Do they want a breather as well, just to avoid charges of election interference against him?
Well, I think that Alvin Bragg needs time to figure out how to respond to this. I think he should have been thinking about this for a long time. I saw this one coming. But what the defense has asked is that Judge Merchant allow them to file a motion, not a formal motion at this point. It's just a letter requesting that. So Alvin Bragg essentially conceding that that's going to be permitted. It would be, I think, a manifest injustice to not allow that. And then he needs time to respond. So he's looking for a later date in July in order to hear the motion and the legal issues.
Okay, and the key case that everybody was looking at with regard to this decision was Jack Smith's case, dealing specifically with January 6th and whether immunity should have prevented a charge against Trump. Does this delay Jack Smith's case until after the election?
Oh, absolutely, it delays that.
Absolutely.
I think there's 100%. No way. Because what has to happen is now the trial court has to go back and review all of the facts and information to determine whether immunity applies. Then I think there's a new round of appeals on that. So if there is something that falls outside the scope of immunity, I think the defense will have an opportunity to go to the circuit court and then to the Supreme Court again before it actually goes to trial.
Finally, just a big picture look at this. We know, I mean, there's very few people who doubt that there is a lot of politics intertwined with these cases against Trump. Some people call it lawfare. Does what is happening now, is this the unraveling of lawfare as a strategy against Trump?
It is, at this point, big wins for Trump in that regard. And I think that it signals to the
And is
Democrats.
that healthy for the United States?
Well, I think
that our system of law and order is stronger than these attempts to undermine it by lawfare.
Due process is something that we use, but we don't really understand in terms of what we talk about. This is due process at work. So we can see things go against a criminal defendant in ways that might seem unjust or improper. It takes time to rectify that. Donald Trump has promised that he's going to fight this to make sure that it gets right. I think this is a signal to those who use lawfare that it's not always going to go so well for them, and that in the end, when they lose those efforts, I think that it blows back on them 10 times harder than the way that they hit it.
Great stuff. Andrew Cherkasky, thank you so much for being here. Appreciate it.